Hi everyone, experience ma'am bohan bamakta GKGS Manipur modern history gi topic wise on sathajariba YouTube classes the welcome tawjari koi hoje India gi oriba situation India amasung Pakistan gi oriba situation gi paw yengna hon nazari ngai and atopa thaba khara laibdagi classes sang naina sathaba ngamjadre masigi damakta experience ngakpi gani du taga so koi hona dabdi yadabni na ngasi su GKGS Manipur na atop yamna maru oiba topic amada that is policies of British like subsidiary alliance doctrine of lapse sugumba topic asida mamangi previous year da hangraba questions sing khara ko CDS da hangraba NDA da hangraba SSC gi exam sing da hangraba even UPSC gi da hangiba question amani ko lokhala kanda experiencing gi damakta question khara compact oina puduna laksari Nasiki class as upcoming exams of SSC like CGL, CSSL, CPO, MTS, GD, and atopa exam CDS, NDA, Army, Agnibir, CISF, Railways ki exams. So by exams sida dum important or class na thamjage. Nasiki class as yam interesting organi na thamjage. Masira kanda ko nasiki class ki question yung minorse. Question han bada who among the following was the first Governor General of Bengal? First Governor of General of Bengal se kanano hangi ko. Option sing yang minarsi option ahan bada Robert Cliff and option number B the William Banting having the idea option number C the Wellesley and option number D the Warren Hastings and here a question is first Governor General of Bengal and having here the correct option is Warren Hastings. Option number D is the correct option. And if the question was a question the first Governor of General of Bengal or Bengal the first Governor General of India haina harapu oiba taragadi option je William Banting haina khongani ko Banting ka and Warren Hastings hariba Governor General of Bengal se ma sigi position se from 1773 to 1785 all torakanda lerami ka sigi point sing chai me understand tawren lawjarage with this next question the continue to minarsi and second question was the policy of ring fence was primarily associated with which British Governor General. Okay, policy of ring fence se karamba British Governor General ga related or banana associated or banana hangi. Option number A the Lord Wellesley and option number B the Lord Cornwallis and option number C the Warren Hastings and option number D the Lord Dalhousie. And here the correct option is that is option number C Warren Hastings British Governor General Warren Hastings ki matam da lak university policy se that is policy of ring fence ka harba policy of ring fence ki main agenda se karino ha matam da Bengal se kedoba atop external threat mayam dagi protect tongna bagi damakta semgat pa adom policy ni ko policy of ring fence Bengal se. So with this question number 2 is understand our analyzer again. Question number 3 the yung minarsi. Which latter policy replaced the ring fence strategy with more direct intervention and higher ko. Ako ring fence strategy ko. Hariba hujiki policy of ring fence karamba policy na kona thangda replace to kibano na hangi ko. Option number A the Doctrine of Lapse, option number B the Subsidiary Alliance, option number C the Dual Government, and option number D the Policy of Paramountcy. And option mari pira. And here the correct option is Subsidiary Alliance. Subsidiary Alliance na ring policy of ring fence replace to kitine. Do target the Subsidiary Alliance have the karino and have matam damasi British East India Company British East India Company amasang Indian rulers sing sigi marakta Indian rulers in Jiggy Marakta sign on a policy amani aduga have a treaty system on had a record treaty system amani do have a system to Makada Kari Kamina Kari Lakpano Kari policy Lapano had in the Dunica. Had the Indian rulers in China British army sing do British ki army sing accept of Godubani and a high accept of Godubani and a high aduga British army sing accept of Robani Sigi British army sing Sigi maintenance of Bogi Paishado Paisha se pay to Godubani and a high pay the amount for British Army maintenance haitare makoi maintenance tobagi British Army se maintenance tobagi paisa se kanana Indian ruler singsina pay togadubne na hari masigi policy gi makhada if aduga subsidiary alliance gi makhas da hai cha akogi hari Indian ruler duna policy do sorry hari ba amount se pay tobang ngam da taragadi maki Indian ruler dugi territory khara territory dugi portion khara portion khara kanai kadai da British India da mokoina loksin gani sidet to gani na hariba sidet to gani hana masigi policy sigi makada hari me understand to ane na khanjai ko du taragade with this next question da mung yeng minar si question number 4 da who introduced the policy of subsidiary alliance in India policy of subsidiary alliance kanana India da introduced or opno na hai and here the correct option is option number B Lord Wellesley ne introduce opni Lord Wellesley ki matam da lakiba adumba policy ni subsidiary alliance project hijack subsidiary alliance ki markhada akoi kari hare market treaty system amne kana gi marakta amukos ningsing minasi kama British East India Company amasung Indian rulers Indian rulers ki marakta Indian rulers hai basina kari hare British Army se Indian territory da British Army se Indian territory da laigadu bani kogi hariba Indian rulers sigi territory da aduga British Army singse maintenance tobagi paisa se kanana pay togadum ne na haya akogi Indian rulers singina pay togadum ne na haya aduga hariba amount se pay tobangam da tagadi if fail to pay paisa do fail pay tobangam da tagadi koi Indian rulers to gi portion of territory hai tare territory khara portion of territory maki territory ki portion ama kadaida in British India na side togani loksin gani haina haire British India gi oiba haina side toba haina de yasinare mam sigi points sing understand tawrane na khanjai aduga British ki ayaba yaugana atopa country ga atopa ruler singa alliance semba yaroi alliance semba yaroi aduga atopa ruler singa or atopa country ga atopa area ga war declare to ba yaroi hena so hariba masigi policy sigi makhada aduga masigi policy sigi makhada hariba Indian rulers to gi point me am sing bi ko me Indian rulers to gi ma ki court gi administration du yengshin na bugi damakta British officer ma British resident ama thamgadu bani na British resident ama thamgadu bani British officer ama thamgadu bani na so hari sigi point sing chai me understand tawrena lawjarage with this question number 5 to yeng minarsi question number 4 lawjare question number 5 to yeng minarsi which Indian state was the first to accept the subsidiary alliance and high subsidiary alliance yana accept kiba adum Indian state to karam Indian state no one hangi option number A da Mysore option number B da Awadh and option number D da Hyderabad and option number D da Gwalior and here the correct option is option number C Hyderabad is the first Indian state to accept the subsidiary alliance karam basahida accept kiba Nizam of Hyderabad na Nizam of Hyderabad. Then come Sahida 1798 September. Sigi points so I understand the question number 6 young minority under the subsidiary alliance who was placed in the princely court to supervise the state subsidiary alliance ki makhada kanabu mokogi hariba rulers to Indian rulers to court kanabu thambano na I explain to the option number 8 young minority Governor General, option number B, the British Resident, and option number C, the District Collector, and option number D, the Company Commander. And here the correct option is option number B, British Resident. Next question, question number 7. The policy of subsidiary alliance was actually used for the first time by the policy of subsidiary alliance kanagi matamda introduced okay na hayo Lord Wellesley ki matamda introduced okay ni lakimne na hayo Lord Wellesley adubu Lord Wellesley ki matamda introduce tawakipse masi laktingai de actually karamba matamda ihan hana sina kimno kanagi matamda ihan hana sina kimno na hangi pa adu tagadi yeng minarsi Project option singche ahanbada Albuquerque, anisubada Robert Cliff, and ahumsubada Marcus Duplex, and marisubada Dufresne, and akoi option mari pire. And here the correct option is option number C, Marcus Duplex ki matamda. Marcus Duplex se kaino kanano habu matamda France ki Governor General ni ko. Ma ki matamdi hana ana policy of subsidiary alliances sinaba hokre ko. So with this question number 7 is understand our end logger. Question number 8 ang yung minarsi. The last major extension of British Indian territory took place during the time of kanagi matamda akoy British Indian territory se kanagi matamda major extension tokibano last oina ko major extension tokibje kanagi matamda no na hangi ko karamba governor general gi matamda no asini ko. Option number A, the Dufresne. Option number B, the Dalhousie. And option number C, the Lytton. And option number D, the Curzon. Option mari B ko. And here the correct option is kanano, that is Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie gi matamda ni ko. Lord Dalhousie gi matamda mahang governor general oina lairamba se karamba sahi dagi 1848 to 56 se mahang governor general oin lairam 1948 to 56 ka. Sigi points is I understand our end log again. Question number 8 lor mutung the question number 9 dong yang minarsi. Which governor general is associated with the doctrine of lapse? Doctrine of lapse se karamba governor general gi matam de lak no karamba governor general gi associated oi bno na hangbani ka, or who introduced the doctrine of lapse abni ka samane. So option number A, the Lord Wellesley, and option number B, the Warren Hastings, and option number C, the Lord Cornwallis, and option number D, the Lord Dalhousie. And here the correct option is option number D, Lord Dalhousie gi matam de lak bani ka. Adu ta the doctrine of lapse habse karino have matam da doctrine of lapse habse khoge policy am khang British ki ko British ki policy am khang karam policy no have matam da if any Indian ruler sama Indian states ki Indian ruler sama mahaki masanupa yaudra targade ko if Indian rulers died without a natural male hire haita mahaki mufam silong ba masanupa yaudra targade hire Indian rulers to gi state to British na annex to godubani hana British na annex to godubani hana option bagi domba policy amane haitare ko. So mayam na so hana taram mani ko akoy ayok masa su yade masanupi su yade masanupi gi nupa su yade ko dumain tawna only akoy natural oiba male hire later taragadi male hire later taragadi akoy state to loksilaro later taragadi state to kadada British na annex to gani loksin gani hana haipagi domba policy amani, that is doctrine of lapse kanana introduced to omba Lord Dalhousie ka. Understand already with this question number 10 da mong yung minarsi. What was the main condition of the doctrine of lapse? Project to hijack doctrine of lapse ki main condition karino na hangi ko. State without a treaty were annexed, option number A, the highest, and option number B, the rulers had to accept British residents, and option number C, the states without a natural hire will be annexed, and option number D, the states involved in rebellions were annexed. Option number A sunatre, B sunatre, D sunatre, and here the correct option is option number C, state without a natural hire. Natural hire maki pamdo haiba rulers to gi ningthau kubamdo sinbinaba natural hire ma habadi masanupa ayok pasunataba masagi natural oiba masanupa ama laita taragadi male ni ko haise male hire laita taragadi ke dauba haiba state to British na annex to godumni haina akogi doctrine of lapse na haiba pa female hire yade ko female masanupi yade. So point sing question number 11 da yung asi. Which princely state became the first victim of Lord Dalhousie doctrine of lapse? Lord Dalhousie ki doctrine of lapse ki haiba doctrine of lapse ki doctrine ki policy se sigi first victim oigiba adumba state to karamba princely state no na hangi ko. Do ta ri akhoi yang minarsi option number A, the Satara, and option number B, the Nagpur, and option number C, the Jhansi, and option number D, the Bhagat, and higher ko. Satara na kam basahi the doctrine of lapse ki makha da loksin ki 1848 ta ko. Satara Maharashtra da laiba dumba state amni, and next ta akhoi Nagpur kam basahi da 1854 da and Jhansi kam basahi da 1853 da Jhansi Uttar Pradesh ki ko. Bhagat kam basahi da Bhagat se Himachal Pradesh ta natra 1850 da loksin ki ba du ta di han han so kya tare ahum angka ka haijarki ko Jaipur akoi Maharashtra da laiba leramba adu tarde kamba chahida Jaipur na 1849 da Sambalpur Chhattisgarh ka na kamba chahida 1849 da sisu chini sina 1849 da ka aduga next da Udaipur da 1852 da Nếu ta đi karam bacha hi ne less you were 1848 ni han hale ko aduna option number A is the correct option. First victim of doctrine of lapse karan lo da lausi ki doctrine of lapse ki first victim se karam ba princely state tara that is Satara ko. So Satara 1848 is the correct option. Myam sigi sahi singchi dum ning bi yam maru oi ba ha ta di Jhansi dum hangi ko adai de ko Sambalpur dum hangi Udaipur se dum hangi Nagpur se hangi ko. So aduna sum ba singche dum maru ai ko mixing view duna. So with this question number 12 tong yang minarsi, which of the following has not been annexed under the doctrine of lapse ko karamba makha da piriba state singche doctrine of princely state odini ko je puri na tre ko mamang gi dan hetare ko matam do gi princely state karamba se kedawa doctrine of lapse ki makha da annex to ki bano na hangi ko annex to da bano ha sorry ko marak tangang bu so ki yaw tar su myam ngak pi ni ka doctrine of lapse ki makha da annex to the state to karam bano na ha ki Jhansi ekoi option number A da karam ba chahi da annex to he na ki 1853 da ko 1853 da adu Satara na ihan han ba first victim duni ko first victim duni karam ba chahi da 1848 da adu Sambalpur ko Sambalpur na Chhattisgarh ki karam ba chahi da 1849 da and here only one option is left, that is Awadh ko Awadh se akoi myam dum Google la yeng ba di doctrine of lapse ki makha da loksin ki bini kan haram ba dum thengna kani but Awadh se actually akoi mal administration hai tra misadministration ki makha da policy of mal administration sigi makha da loksin ki bini ba ko mal administration ki makha da Doctrine of Lapse ki policy ki makha da na te ko adu ta di the correct option is Awadh ko next amu yang minarsi question number 13 da when was Jhansi annexed under the doctrine of lapse ko Jhansi se karam doctrine of lapse ki makha da karam ba chahi da annexed to ki banana hai ko Jhansi so option number A da 1848 option number B da 1850 option number C da 1852 and option number D da 1853 so and ma'am so soy na khangbi ramani and here the correct option is 1853 ko 1853 du ta de atopa sahi singje mayam ningsing na bugi damakta 1848 ta ihana na first victim o kibdo karamba princely state ne ba Satara ko next 1850 dana karamba princely state ne ba Bhagat sigi singje mayam ningsing bi ko and 1852 dana karamba sahi ne karamba ne ba that is Udaipur ko ningsing na gi amo hanjin hai ko mayam experiencing da So with this question number 14 damu yang minarsi who was the famous queen that resisted the British annexation of Jhansi the famous queen do kana no an hai si di ma'am so idan khangbi ramani that is Rani Kajilira natte that is option number B that Rani Durgavati natte and here the correct option is option number C that is Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi netra ma'am film go thopa yam no maming chat ko so question number 14 is I understand the orange louser get question number 15 the young miners the ruler of which one of the following states was removed from power by the British on the pretext of misgovernance I ngasai chai jak reko pretext of misgovernance the based or kanda karamba ruler gi karamba states ki matam dogi the dance princely state gi karamba ruler bu ko British government remove to ki bano and hangi ko so option number A the Awadh option number B the Jhansi and option number B the C the Nagpur and option number D the Satara. Akoi na khange Satara doctrine of lapse ki first victim ni karamba chahi da oikiba 1848 da ko and Nagpur na karamba chahi da 1854 da Jhansi na karamba chahi da 1853 da and here only one is left option number A Awadh is the correct option ko mahak se karida misgovernance or maladministration the based or kanda British na annexed opinion ko with this question number 15 is I understand the orange louser ge Question number 16 damu yengminarsi. First railway line were laid down in India under which British governor? Kamba British governor gi makhada railway line ihana hanba oina India da laid down to kibno same cut kibno and hayako. So option the Lord Dalhousie, option number B the Lord Curzon, and option number C the Lord Wellesley, and option number D the Lord Lytton. Sidi me amna support choi khangbi ramani adam SSC ki exam to yam to in hangba question amni, that is option number A Lord Dalhousie ka railways ki exam to su yam maru oiba dum question ni Lord Dalhousie ki matam da haitare ka aduna Lord Dalhousie cha khone kai har su khangnai ba father of Indian Railway har ga su mark se Indian Railway has. So, sigi points I understand the rain log jage. Question number 17 dong yang minarsi. Which social reform act was passed during Dalhousie period? Dalhousie gi matam da karamba social reform act passed okibano na hangi ko. Adu target option number A the Sati Abolition Act, option number B the Child Marriage Act, and option number C the Widow Remarriage Act, and option number D the Homicide Prohibition Act, and option Manipuri. So, now options in this choose to be and choose to option and here the correct option is option number C. Widow Remarriage Act. Karamba sahida passed of the no 1956 the lucky badum the act Widow Remarriage Act. So with this ngasigi akoi yamna tenta ko video asida yam maru oibo questions ka mayam previous year da hangrabo questions ngakni ko mayam naina kribido akoi policies of British government haiba topic asida question khan ina jagre matung tara ko su GKGS Manipuri important topic sing da soidana questions mayam pudun laksagi gani aduga masigumba PDF amasung important updates amasung quizzes ki damakta sigi Telegram channel sida scan taro kanda join toxin biro or I description the link show then hapchar angi aduga mayam experiencing na aigi lecture aigi YouTube channel sidagi kana ba khajik tang oisu phangbiye na khanbi batagade like share amasung subscribe to ba kaubiganu haina masi hajara kanda mayam ba mona thagat phongdok sari. Thank you mayam.